Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to delete your story in TikTok. If you've posted a story that you no longer want visible to your followers, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the list of options on your profile page. Look for your story among the viewed items and tap on it. Step 4. Once your story is open, tap on the 3 dots menu icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Confirm your decision to delete the story. Deleting your story in TikTok ensures that it is no longer visible to your followers or anyone who views your profile. This gives you control over the content you share and allows you to maintain the desired image on your TikTok account. Thank you for watching and enjoy maintaining the content on your TikTok profile by easily deleting unwanted stories.